Hey, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate call waiting on Android. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Open your Android phone app. This is the app that you use to make and receive calls. It usually has a green icon with a white phone symbol. Step 2. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with some options. Step 3. Tap Settings. This will take you to the settings page of the phone app where you can customize various features and preferences. Step 4. Tap Calling Accounts. This will show you the list of SIM cards that you have installed on your phone if you have more than one. Step 5. Tap Call Waiting. This will open a new page where you can enable or disable call waiting for each SIM card. Step 6. Choose the SIM cards that you want to activate call waiting for and tap the switch next to call waiting to turn it on. You will see a confirmation message that says call waiting activated. You can also turn it off by tapping the switch again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.